Welcome to our tutorial video series looking at demystifying private networks. We will be adding short videos at regular intervals to explain what private networks are and how they can help a wide variety of industries and enterprises to improve productivity, security, and provide solutions for several use cases. Let's start with the basics, where we look at different types of networks: public, private, and hybrid. We love using our mobile phones, or smartphones as we now call them. Our smartphones contain a physical or an embedded SIM card that uses subscription from the mobile network operator or a service provider. This enables us to connect our smartphones, tablets, and any other gadgets to the mobile network. We can connect our devices to the network while at home, or while we're at the park, or while we're in a city or at the office, or even while we're in a stadium enjoying our favorite sport. These types of networks are referred to as public mobile networks, as they are commercially available and accessible to everyone. These networks are operated by mobile network operators and offer services like voice calls, text messaging, and mobile data to customers. Private mobile networks, or private networks for short, as the name suggests, are built for a specific organization's use and are not accessible to the general public. These networks can be tailored to meet specific needs, and they can be deployed on premises or in the cloud. The main motivation for private networks are high level of reliability, security, and privacy. They are not something new but have been around for many years. The old 2G and 3G private networks had several limitations, while Wi-Fi-based private networks suffered from interference due to the unlicensed nature of the wireless spectrum. Many of these limitations have been overcome in 4G and 5G networks, which we will discuss in future videos. Traditionally, private networks have been popular in the mining industry to create a local network for people to communicate above and below ground. They are also popular on remote oil and gas platforms to create a dedicated network for the people working there. Since then, many new industries have adopted and started using them. Nowadays, they can be found in manufacturing plants, warehouses, different types of enterprises, transportation hubs, ports, construction sites, shopping malls, campuses, hospitals, and many other places. Now that we have looked at the public and private mobile networks, there's another type of topology of network referred to as a hybrid mobile network. These are typically private networks that are provided by mobile operators to a factory, enterprise, university, or anybody else. These types of networks are also often referred to as campus networks. The main difference in a hybrid network is that it is designed to service a dedicated set of users or use cases, as in the case of private networks as well as users of the public network. The private network users are given a priority over the public users, and the mobile operator has to tailor this network based on requirements and other service level agreements from a particular industry or organization. That's all we're discussing in today's video. We hope you find this helpful. Feel free to let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And while you're here, please hit the like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to learn more about private networks and our solution in general, you can find us on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and on our website at firecell.io. Thank you for watching, and see you again soon.